Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the presentation. On tonight's menu, Louisiana BBQ shrimp and paprika roasted potatoes. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. Evening mise en place in order of appearance. All the potato goodies. All the potato goodies minus the oil together. The potatoes ready to go in the hot box. The potatoes in the hot box. All the goodies for the shrimp. All the goodies for the shrimp in the bowl. And all mixed together. Melting some butter in a saute pan with a little bit of oil. I add the shallots and the garlic and saute for about a minute. Then all the juices and sauce go in the pan. Then I add the shrimp and cook the shrimp for just a few minutes. Here's the final shrimp. Here's the final potatoes. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.